form, one of the art forms which are very popular from my store. Batiks, and they're all on silk, pure silk batik. This is not black, dear friends. This is deep brown. Here goes the achul. This is 5,800. Now I can make out the pricing. This is also a good quality silk. নিবেদিতা দেখো ভালো লাগছে? একটু বলো, কমেন্ট করো প্লিজ। দেখো, look at this. কবিতা সবাই রেকর্ডেড দেখে নেবে। Look at this.
The color is the fashion this year.
This is the one.